Ang problema natin dito, Mr. Chair, yung po, bawa, sa Strait of Hormuz, hindi makapasok, 10% lang yata ang nakakalusot. So yung restocking o yung resupply, no, of fuel, how do we consider that? Banggit kanina ni Chairman, no, yung pong resupply, no, yung replenishment of our stocks. So yun ang natin until when? That we do not know. Sige.
Mr. Chair, for example, I talked to the Minister of Energy of South Korea yesterday, and asking for to honor our orders. We have long-term contracts. There are oil companies. They have assured us. The same goes with the other countries, Mr. Chair, like Japan, in fact, even China. Thailand is another matter. South Korea is so iniisa-isa namin yan. But we have been assured by the next delivery, but that's assuming that the things stay the same, stay the same next month. So they can assure us as far as things are how it is right now. But if things escalate and prolong, then we have to address that all over again, and that's why PNOC is trying to diversify the sourcing, like US, hopefully Canada, South America, and others. Pero yun nga, the uncertainty will always be there every next round of orders.